I'm just stressed out. I've heard this a lot. But do you know there are different types of stress? We have the good stress and the bad stress. One is ill stress and one is distress. Good day everyone and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Mercy Mary, popularly known as the Nurse with the Difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for students. Today I'm going to be talking about stress, the difference between eustress and distress. So it's not all stress that are bad. Some are good and some are bad. So I'm going to be telling you the difference between the good stress and the bad stress, and also examples of good stress, examples of bad stress. But before we go into details in today's class, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. For our returning subscribers, I say thank you. Applause. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, let's go there. Alright, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today I'm going to be talking about stress and the difference between the good stress and the bad stress. But first of all, what is stress? Stress is the body reaction, to the feeling of being threatened or under pressure. It's the body reaction to the feeling of being threatened or under pressure. That is what stress is all about. For those that keep saying they are stressed out, there is a good stress and there is a bad stress. So I'm going to be telling you the difference between bad stress and good stress. The good stress is known as eustress, while the bad stress is known as distress. So you know which one you are facing, if it's the eustress or the distress. So the first one, which is the eustress, we want to differentiate it now. The eustress provides productive energy. It makes you to be productive. It makes you want to leave your house in the morning and go to work. It provides productive energy. That's the eustress. But the bad stress, it provides restless energy. If you are in distress, you are restless. You are restless, you don't know what to do, you don't know where to start, you don't know where you are, you are just restless. That's distress. It's a bad stress. Then another difference between eustress and distress is that eustress, it helps you to be more focused. Yes, but the distress helps you to lose focus. When you are in distress, you are losing your focus, you are losing it. But the eustress, it helps to increase what? It helps to increase your focus. Then another difference between eustress and distress is that eustress increase your motivation. It inspires you, it increase your motivation. While distress increase your procrastination. You are avoiding things. It increases that avoidance spirit. You want to procrastinate it till tomorrow, till next tomorrow. Distress can cause that. But eustress increase what? Your motivation. Then another difference again, eustress is often experienced as excitement. You are excited, you are jubilating. I'm going to be telling you the examples later. So eustress is experienced as excitement, but distress is experienced as fear and concern. Then eustress feels manageable. You can manage eustress because you are excited, but this distress is usually overwhelming. You can't even manage it. Then eustress improves your performance, but distress impairs your performance. Eustress is associated with confidence. You are confident in yourself, but distress is associated with insecurity. The other and the last difference between eustress and distress is that eustress expectation is usually a positive outcome. You are expecting something positive, but in distress you are expecting something negative. It's usually a negative outcome. That's why it is what? It is distress. Do you get the difference between eustress and distress? Now I'm going to give you examples of eustress, and I'm still going to be giving you example of distress. Eustress, for example, somebody just watched horror movie And like he's enjoying it though, but he's scared. You understand that horror movie now? I want to show that I've watched this horror movie. You're excited, you're watching it, and at the same time you're like, oh, that's stress. Somebody just getting a new job, that's stress. Somebody delivering, like a woman just delivered a baby, that's stress. Like a person just changed his job, he's retiring. Those are stress. You agree with me that those things are good? Yes, that's why they are good stress. Why distress? Somebody lost a spouse, lost a job, somebody is sick, somebody is hospitalized. You will agree with me that these are negative. They cause negative impact on your life, and they make you lose focus, and you are not able to do a lot of things. I hope I have been able to explain to you the difference between eustress and distress. And whenever you say I am stressed out, always say I am stress or I am in distress, so you know if you have a good distress or a bad stress. So not all stress is bad. Some stress are good, some stress are bad. That is why we say what stress is the body reaction to feeling threatened or under pressure. Stress is what the body reaction to feel threatened or under pressure. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers, I am saying thank you. I am super grateful. And like I will always say, if you know a student nurse or you are a student nurse and you are not part of our classes on Telegram, sincerely, you are missing a lot. All you have to do is to send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen, so you can have access to the various voice notes, cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive, how to write care plans, management, pharmacology, and all that. And we also have a platform where you can ask questions as a nursing student, just a one-time registration. So send a DM and have access to all of it. See you in our next video. Bye.